Verde Village was a concept with the idea of creating a sustainable development. Verde Village is a planned unit development that intentionally incorporates energy efficiency, environmental factors. The solar ready part, it's an all-encompassing package with Earth Advantage. It has an energy efficiency component, but to go beyond just what's required for Earth Advantage, to have the net zero capability and give people the opportunity to make that choice to put solar panels on their home and to essentially not have an electric bill just seemed to make a lot of sense. Part of Verde Village is recognizing that the culture is changing toward more sustainability, more energy efficiency. People are becoming more educated about what their environmental impact is. With technology and the costs coming down, it becomes more financially feasible for people to use solar panels. From a builder standpoint, it's not just because that's where the market is going, it's because as builders we want to be able to have a positive impact on the environment. KDA Homes and Suncrest Homes partnered. It was a joint effort for subdividing the property, for coming up with the requirements for Earth Advantage Platinum, for making a commitment to net zero opportunities. We're looking forward to working with True South on a couple of upcoming projects, and the vision there is to just commit to putting solar panels on each of the units, making that benefit more of a feature. Working with True South Solar has been a positive experience because of the level of communication, the fact that the folks are local, they're easily accessible, they know the culture in not just Ashland but the Rogue Valley.